So I thought I'd just show you 3 examples of the polishing and retouching we do on all our new portraits. So as you can see, this chap here is getting retouched in 6 steps. So step 5 and step 6 is the final look there. And we can have a before and an after there. So you can see it's quite a big transformation, but it may be for some a little bit too much having the full transformation. So what we've devised is a plan where you get all 6 steps. So you get 6 copies of everything in 6 folders. So you will get a folder with step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in there. So on this final example, let's just have a quick look at what we're actually doing. Step 1 has already been done, that is blemish removal. Step 2 is eye brightening. Step 3 is teeth brightening, but there's no teeth shown there. Step 4 is shine removal. Step 5 is dodge and burn skin softening, and step 6 is a bit of profiling. So you look at the before and after on Lauren here and you can see the difference it makes.